The first step is to acquire the registration code. You may find this on the display itself. Now that we have the information we need, we can log into VCS and associate the device to the display. To do this, log into the VCS account that the display is set up under. Then click Displays, and then click the display being worked on. From here, we will select Devices. If any devices are currently registered to the display, you would see them listed here. Click on the plus symbol to add a new device, and then enter the registration code and select Confirm, and then select Save. Verify the display is playing content, and then contact Daktronics to register the VIP.